They're fascinating to watch. You've seen the show. It's amazing. It's a great way to end the day. Ideally, they would replace the chimneys that we're losing. We have lost probably 3 or 4 chimneys that at their peak probably would have hosted 600 or 700 birds a night.
You're probably pretty used to the small bird houses with a little hole in the front that a lot of birds in your yard can use to nest in. But chimney swifts won't use birdhouses like that. They need a structure that resembles a chimney like this, that is hollow down in the center and that they can build their nest on the side of.
Kind of disheartening in that regard to see how many we've lost, but it does give us hope that if we put them up, that they will use them.